In this short video, we're going to look at how we would drag either video or audio that's hosted on Weebly into your web page. So you can always embed YouTube videos in, but if you want an HD video player which is unbranded, you're going to need to drag it in the same way, but then it's going to have an upgrade option. So you won't be able to embed this and you won't be able to use it until such time as you've upgraded. So if you try that, it'll just send you to this page to show you which you need for HD player. If we look at this, I think we'll see that HD player is probably going to be the Pro plan, $12 a month if you buy it annually. So you need the Pro plan for HD or for audio to be embedded and kept on this site. Okay, that's that.